We're always so excited to receive great feedback from our satisfied customers. Really, we just want to give every customer a 5-star experience. Here's an awesome review from one of them that we just couldn't resist sharing with you and everyone else. In short, we work extremely hard to provide the best customer service, and we're proud to say, according to our reviews, we're doing a great job. One of the keys to our success is that we place our focus on our customers. It's how we earn our great reviews and how we'll earn yours. So why wait? Call us on the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.